Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to fill out a individual travel request for yourself. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log in to Perch portal and select your avatar icon. Once you're done, you're going to scroll down to the Submissions tab. You'll then select the Budgeting tab. You'll then hit Create Request. I already have a request made, so I'm going to click that one. So this will then take you to the first page of your individual travel request. The request title is essentially the name of the event that you're attending with a description of what will be happening at this conference, workshop, or competition that you're attending. Once you're done, you're going to select Next. You're then going to answer some additional questions about the event, meeting, or conference that you're attending. You're gonna answer all of the questions, and if you're unsure or you don't know what to put for the question, just put NA or none. Once you're done, you're gonna select Next. This will then take you to the budgeting section of your request. There are three main sections, which is registration, lodging, and transportation. So I'll click on the registration just as an example. The name is essentially the name of what you'll be requesting. So I just have a standard registration fee and a description of like what's encompassing with it. So I have like name tags, complimentary merchandise, etc. And then you'll have the quantity and how much it is per unit. And then be sure to always add a quote. So once you're done, you then do that for the lodging section as well. And then for transportation. Transportation is really essential because if you plan on renting a car or taking a personal vehicle, you have to determine which one is more economic and fiscally responsible. So you'll have to do a cost analysis of the personal vehicle and the rental vehicle. And the formula is right here. So once you do that formula, you can submit it and save it in here, or you can do it on like scratch paper. And then you'll do the same for the rental vehicle. And then whichever one is cheaper, you'll put that in your transportation section. And once you're done, you'll hit save, and then you will submit your request. So once this is done, you're gonna then want to go to your email, and you'll want to review the Perch portal and pass that along to your advisor so that it can be passed along to the budget and allocations chair. And just like that, you're pretty much done. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to the Budget and Allocations Chair at sgabac@unf.edu.